If you're not already logged into your Facebook account, take a moment now, hit pause, get logged in, because we're going to get right into this video. How to delete or deactivate your Facebook account. Here we go.
In the upper right corner, there's a little arrow pointing down. Click on that. You'll see a drop-down menu. Here you're going to click on Settings. Once you're in Settings, you're going to go to Personal and Account Information. This will pull up another page menu. Scroll down to Account Ownership and Control. Now click on Deactivation and Deletion. Once you're on this page, you have the option of deactivating the account or deleting the account. Deactivating the account just puts it on hold, basically. It keeps all your information in there in case you ever want to activate it again, whereas deleting it is going to delete everything on your Facebook account, and you will not be able to retrieve any of that information. So let's assume you want to deactivate the account. Click on Deactivate. It's going to ask for your password again. Enter your password, press Continue. Now it's going to take you to a page where it wants to know why you want to deactivate your account. If you don't select any of these options and just try clicking on Continue, it's going to give you this message in red. So you have to go down and select one of these. I just put in Other, and you can give whatever reason that you would like. Press Continue, and it lets you know that Messenger will still be active. If everything's good, click on Deactivate my account and you're done. Okay, let's assume now that you want to delete the account. So you select Delete, continue to Account Deletion, and again, it's going to want to have a reason. But here you do not have to select a reason. You can just go to Continue. It's going to give you some warnings that you're no longer going to be able to use Messenger. You can save your posts if you like. You can download this information to another account. You can transfer information to another account. And it also lets you know which apps you've logged into using your Facebook account. And if everything is good there, you just select Delete Account, and your account is now deleted. Congratulations.